Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone mobile. Once you try opening your Spotify app, clicking on your profile icon at the top left, and going to the premium section right here and explore through the plans. As you can see, there is no subscribe button that you can directly click in here. So what we're going to do is to open up a browser that you have and go to spotify.com and click on the three lines at the top right, and this is where you can log in, so just do that. Once you have logged in, click on the gear icon at the top right and click on view account. From here, you can scroll down a bit and select manage your subscription. This is where you can join premium, so select the join premium button and you should be able to scroll through these plans, so select whichever is appropriate for you. For example, I'm going to select the individual plan, and usually Spotify will offer free trial as well. So you can go ahead and select the try 3 months for a specific price, and you can then enter your payment method in here, select one of these, and you can then go ahead and select complete purchase to subscribe to that specific plan. And once you have subscribed to it, you can then go ahead and open up your Spotify app and see that it should now be reflected as your subscription. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.